Good evening, dudes and dudettes. It is a pleasure to meet you once more. As always, I'm your beloved host, Light Liger here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this crypto video platform called DTube, which I've been using since 2019, and I definitely believe this is the #1 decentralized platform right now. I see it as a real competition for YouTube due to their decentralization and them being pretty much censorship resistant, because when uploads are done on the platform, they actually work through the peer-to-peer network. So kind of like torrents, they are downloaded and shared throughout the website. So they're kind of harder to take down versus something that would be uploaded in to a site that is not peer-to-peer, such as YouTube or Vimeo. And while there are some other decentralized options like Library, which I also am a big fan of, I think it's a kind of bit of a hassle to get people to download the application. And in case of BitChute, for example, that platform is very large, but there's no money to make in that platform because there's no monetization system in place outside from tipping, and that's where DTube is very strong because it's basically operating through 3 blockchains. And that's something we're going to be exploring here in this video. So this is the base interface of DTube, and it gives you a feed based on your subscriptions, trending videos, and the most newest videos that have been uploaded on the platform. There is also night mode available on the platform in case you don't want to see it in white. I prefer this website more in white than I do in black, but I guess for the sake of the video it might be more clear to do it on black, so let's go with night mode. So one of the features is obviously this 3 blockchain system. So DTube is operating through Hive and Steem. And they also have their own native coin, which is going to be DTube. All of these 3 chains are delegated proof of stake chains. So when you upload, you have the option to basically upload it to the Steem blockchain or the Hive blockchain, and in future to the DTube blockchain as well. And this is where the most of the rewards come from, whereas if you upload it to the Hive, people on the Hive blockchain are able to see it in feeds and they can directly watch it from there as well. And there is also their native model. They are right now in the sale of DTube tokens, and right now everything is working through testnet. The use case of this will be that you can buy promotion with the DTC, which is the DTube token. And basically there are some other functions probably coming out in the later parts, but you kind of like, when you promote your video, you kind of burn the supply. At least that's how it was on the testnet or in the beta. So if they're going to be doing that also, that means that the supply is going to get thinner and thinner as more time goes on. And there is the leader tab also here, which basically shows you who are going to be securing the new blocks in the blockchain. So there's currently 10. Just a bit of a feedback. I think this is current number, obviously, but I really don't like ideas of anything number below 30. I think things have to be decentralized as possible. 10 is way too low. I think I would love to see like 50, 30, and I think as more of the platform starts to grow, I think there will be more demand for more people. I mean, I even could run for a delegate, but I would have to look more into it. Let's go into kind of like a bit of the upload features, and actually I want to go back from night mode because this is much better for the video. So there are 3 basically solutions from here. To correct something that I said earlier, that everything is peer-to-peer, is not completely true. So you have the option to upload a peer-to-peer video, which will be on the IPFS. You also have the file upload thing. The peer-to-peer has limitations because the videos uploaded through there are going to be 480p. On the file upload, I am not actually 100% sure what is going to be the actual size, but there's going to be probably limitations on to it too. But if you don't want to create an account through Hive or any of these chains, you can also upload through YouTube. So, and this works also on many different things such as Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, LiveLeak, Instagram, and Twitch, which is very convenient. So let's go into my YouTube channel. And I'm going to be taking my Sprout Wallet review. I'm going to be uploading it here. And all I have to do is paste the link gonna put those timers out there, and we're gonna hit next, and it will go into the next field where we will be inserting basically all the necessary data, whatever tags we want to have, what type of a description. Let's actually refresh the page just in case that it not decided to bug out here. Okay, here we go. So now we are on the actual face here, and we can choose obviously the descriptions. I'm not gonna change them. I'm gonna put the tag as crypto because this is going also to Steem it. The video duration, and here you can have some article stuff for the Steem body, since I'm operating on the Steem node right now, not on Hive, so this upload would go to Steem. You can also make it original content and NSFE and change the visibility of it. I'm not sure, is this unlisted for are you able to share it with your friends, or is it only for personal use? And once we are done, we just hit the publish video. This is working through Steem it, so I have to sign up the transaction, and now it will be on the directory of DTube itself. It will be here on the channel, as we can see, and it's now uploaded along with these other videos. And when I click it, it goes to the actual video and it shows the YouTube clip, and that's very convenient. There is also an edit button. I think this is where we can find, no, actually it's not there. We can go to Steem right now and see basically the upload on the other side where it's registered to the blockchain, making it more decentralized and censorship resistant. And here we can see the actual post in Steem as well, and when I click it actually goes into the DTube domain. Apparently you can't watch through embed on SteamPeak. That's fine with me, and that's how it would work. And people can upload the video. The platform doesn't show you how many views the videos have, and I actually kind of like that model because I think content is sometimes worth what it's curated as, not necessarily the views. Every viewer is having its own value, so to speak. And there's something that I like about that model. I don't think every platform has to count the views. I think it's kind of besides the point. I think curation goes a long way, or the likes and dislikes, whatever it may be. And basically, you know, we can also look another video on the platform to see this is a video that's been uploaded with the normal system on peer-to-peer. And basically you can see the video downloading here. And as I said, it's 4080p on these peer-to-peer uploads, but it makes it very decentralized. And these, even if the DTube takes it down, the IPFS will basically still exist, making it a very ideal place to post your content. And I believe there is like the base layout of sorts. I mean, they will be going into Steem or Hive, whatever you choose. But I guess when the DTube chain fully launches, I guess you can build your own video platform using the chain. I'm not 100% sure about that, but that may be something down the line. And I think the video quality, while it's 4080p on these peer-to-peer videos, doesn't mind that much because most of the content is very educational or political content, and there's gaming videos here too, different types of content being uploaded. Some of them like to upload it on YouTube. Peer-to-peer videos, apparently, in my opinion, though, seem to be performing better on rewards, so I guess people appreciate that you upload content on the chain itself to the IPFS than on just pasting your URL link. But that's pretty much my rundown of DTube. There's a lot more to the platform, which you definitely should look into. See the platform, the trending pages and everything like that. And there are some good content creators on the platform who create like real content, whatever it's vlogs or crypto-oriented content. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.